Click on the link below to get price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo is a remarkable addition to the DJI lineup, showcasing impressive features that appeal to both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. The compact design, weighing just under 250 grams, makes it ultra-portable, allowing users to easily take it on various adventures without worrying about heavy gear. Equipped with a 1/1 3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 4 Pro delivers stunning 48MP stills and 4K video at 60 frames per second. The image quality is exceptional, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its larger sensor size and f/1.7 aperture. What sets this drone apart is its advanced HDR capabilities, which produce vibrant and detailed images, making it perfect for landscapes or capturing special moments during events. The upgraded DJI RC2 remote controller elevates the flying experience with its intuitive design and enhanced controls. The 6.9-inch display provides a clear view, even in bright sunlight, ensuring you can easily monitor your flight and camera settings. The low-latency transmission technology allows for a seamless flying experience, while the transmission range of up to 12 kilometers means you can explore vast areas without losing connection. One standout feature of the Mini 4 Pro is its intelligent flight modes. The Focus Track, Master Shots, and Quick Shots modes make it easier for users to capture cinematic shots without extensive flying experience. The new Active Track 4.0 function offers improved subject recognition and tracking, ensuring your subject remains in focus as you capture dynamic scenes. Battery life is commendable, with each charge providing up to 34 minutes of flight time. The Fly More combo includes additional batteries, propellers, and a shoulder bag, which enhances convenience for extended photo sessions. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo, DJI RC2, is a highly versatile drone that delivers exceptional performance and user-friendliness, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography or videography game.